So good morning, everybody, and welcome to Personalized Health Technologies 2020, a virtual-only conference. I'm very happy that so many of you have joined already this morning. I would like to get started by sharing my screen with you. Let me try to do this first. Okay. Good. So again, a very well welcome to Personalized Health Technologies on behalf of the steering board of NEXUS and the unit heads and all the people having been involved in organizing this conference. So my name is Niko Beerenwinkel. I'm currently chairing the steering board of NEXUS, and I would like to start by making a few comments about NEXUS and then introducing the conference and the basic setup. So NEXUS is a so-called ETH technology platform, and it basically serves to support personalized health and precision medicine activities at ETH Zurich. As you know, ETH Zurich is moving more and more towards applications in medicine, including a bachelor's program, but also a wide range of different research activities that are related to medicine. And NEXUS, in a way, is supposed to facilitate this process. So the main fields of activity of NEXUS are on the one hand side, and shown on the left hand side of this slide, are around screening. So searching for small molecules that have a certain biological function that you're interested in. And there is a robotics technology available at NEXUS that allows for large-scale screening campaigns, including using a complex cellular system. This also includes the identification of chemical lead compounds. So this supports any activities that go towards drug discovery. And on the other hand, showing on the right-hand side of this slide is anything related to bioinformatics and biomedical data analysis, including means that allow for clinical decision-making. Now, these two areas are implemented in two different units that make up NEXUS. Again, on the left-hand side, there's the Theragnostics Discovery Unit. This unit is headed by Christian Stirnimann, and it includes, as I mentioned, high-throughput screening and lab automation, also chemical probe identification and molecular circuit manipulation. On the other hand, regarding data analysis, we have the Clinical Bioinformatics Unit. It's headed by Daniel Steckhofen, and it includes any form of bioinformatics and statistical analysis of biomedical data, including also the development of customized software, and again, integrating such data in order to support clinical decision-making. I should say that the way NEXUS operates is very much according to the needs of the customers. So most of the projects are very targeted to specific research and translation questions that researchers have. And NEXUS is ready to support these individual needs that you may have. So if you are interested in using NEXUS, working together with NEXUS, then please approach the two unit heads directly. And we will see, of course, during the course of this conference, a few examples of such successful collaborations. Good, turning to the conference itself. So we have a total of 4 sessions distributed over 2 days, today and tomorrow. We are starting this morning with a session on immuno-oncology. Sorry for the typo here. It will be chaired by Shanna Sterler. And then in the afternoon, there's a session on advanced cell systems chaired by Christian Stirnimann. And then tomorrow on Tuesday in the morning, we have a session on clinical decision-making chaired by Gunnar Retsch. And in the afternoon, our 4th session on novel therapeutics, chaired by Karl-Heinz Altmann. I'm extremely grateful that 4 excellent keynote speakers have agreed to speak at this conference. So for the first session, that's Meramit Singha. For the second one, it's Senthil Muchawami. And in fact, both of these talks will take place in the afternoon today because of the time difference. Also, Meramit Singha, whose keynote in a way fits into the first session, but time-wise, it will also be in the afternoon today. And then tomorrow morning, we have Caroline Uhler in the clinical decision-making session, and in the afternoon, Prashant Mali from San Diego, who will join us in the afternoon. I very much look forward to it, and I'm very grateful that these excellent speakers have agreed to talk during the conference. We are also, of course, thankful to our sponsors. They have also been very flexible when it became clear that this conference would happen online only. So thanks a lot to all of them. And the last comment I want to make this morning is that for ongoing and continued discussion, we have a Slack channel. So here's the URL to join the Slack channel. Please do so. All the speakers are encouraged and will probably also join the Slack channel, and you can ask additional questions there, and of course continue the discussion among the participants. Good. So with that, I would again like all of you to thank you for joining this morning, and I very much look forward to a very exciting program. I'm very happy that we have so many interested people, and I'm sure we're going to have exciting talks and discussions. And with that, I will head over to Shanna Sterler, who will chair the first session.